Engines are the heart of any vehicle, and keeping them in top shape is essential to avoid expensive repairs. Many car owners follow routine maintenance, but there are a few lesser-known techniques that can significantly extend the lifespan of an engine. Here are 4 secret methods that can help you prevent costly engine repairs and keep your car running smoothly for years to come. Secret number 1. Do a monthly oil dipstick test. One of the most overlooked yet effective methods of protecting an engine is performing a monthly oil dipstick test. Most drivers focus on changing their oil according to schedule, but they rarely check its actual condition. By pulling out the dipstick and rubbing the oil between your fingers, you can assess whether it feels smooth or gritty. If the oil has a rough texture or appears excessively dark, it may indicate that the engine is accumulating harmful deposits, which could lead to increased wear. Additionally, a strong gasoline smell in the oil could be a sign of fuel contamination, a serious issue that requires immediate attention. Secret number 2. Always listen to your engine at startup. Listening to the engine at startup is another critical yet underestimated practice. Many mechanical problems reveal themselves through unusual sounds when the car is first turned on. A healthy engine should have a smooth, steady hum. However, tapping or knocking noises could indicate lubrication issues, while a rough idle or clicking sound might suggest problems with the fuel injection or ignition system. Cold starts put the most strain on an engine, making it essential to let the car run for at least 30 seconds before driving to ensure optimal lubrication and performance. Secret number 3. Keep your gas tank above 1/4 full. Keeping the gas tank above 1/4 full is a simple but crucial habit that prevents engine damage. Many drivers unknowingly harm their vehicles by frequently driving with a low fuel level. The fuel pump, which plays a vital role in delivering gasoline to the engine, relies on fuel to stay cool. When the tank is nearly empty, the pump can overheat and wear out prematurely, leading to costly repairs. Additionally, sediment and debris that settle at the bottom of the fuel tank can get sucked into the engine when fuel levels are low, clogging the injectors and affecting performance. To avoid these problems, it is best to refill the tank before it drops below 1/4 full. Lastly, secret number 4. Clean your engine. Regularly cleaning the engine bay is another secret method to prevent costly repairs. While many people assume that an engine only needs internal maintenance, external cleanliness is just as important. Dirt, oil leaks, and grime can lead to overheating, electrical shorts, and corrosion. A dirty engine bay traps heat, which can negatively affect engine efficiency and longevity. Using a degreaser spray and wiping down the engine bay every few months can prevent buildup and keep the engine running smoothly. However, it is important to cover electrical components before cleaning to avoid water damage. By following these 4 simple yet highly effective methods, car owners can protect their engines from unnecessary wear and tear, ultimately saving thousands of dollars in repair costs. A well-maintained engine not only lasts longer, but also ensures a smoother and more fuel-efficient driving experience. Like, share, and subscribe for more expert car tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below.